Hey, welcome back to Jonathan Rome's. Today we're going to make an easy drop biscuit recipe. It's better than a busted can of biscuits, I can promise you. Huge shout out to Scott for this recipe. I use it all of the time. So if you want to do something homemade while you're out and about in your motorhome, RV, or camper, even do this recipe at home. These are delicious. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to drop our Hey, sorry to rewind the video, but I forgot to mention the first thing you do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now back to the video. First thing you're going to do is you're going to drop 2 cups of flour in your mixing bowl. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And then we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of salt. And then we're going to use 1 stick of butter. Everything, I promise everything is better with butter. The way we're going to do it is we're going to cube it up. Cut these in 3 pass. That butter is going to be cold, cold, cold. And then after we get the butter cubed up, what we're going to do is mix that in the flour. Separate the butter into the cubes. Just drop them in the flour. All right, once you get the butter in the bowl, what we're gonna do is we're gonna incorporate the butter. We're gonna make this flour in the end feel like wet sand. So just get that butter mixed in there. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna smush that butter with the flour. Just pinch it. Okay, we've got that butter incorporated enough. So now what we're gonna do is add 1 cup of milk. Just gonna put that milk over the top. Grab your spoon, blend that up. Perfect timing. The oven just went off and it's preheated. Grab your sheet pan, go ahead and oil it up. You can do whatever size of biscuits you want. I just generally do a spoonful. The oven's gone off, biscuits are in the pan. The last thing I do is spray olive oil over the top of them. That way it gives them a little bit of color. And then you're gonna put them in the 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. And in 20 minutes, you're gonna have delicious drop biscuits. All right, my timer's about to go off. The biscuits, you can already smell them throughout the motorhome. They smell delicious. Can't wait to get them out. There's the timer. Let's go ahead and grab them without burning myself. Here's what they look like. Oh, look at that. You see those? So good. Go ahead and set them down. Went ahead and grabbed one out. Gonna go ahead and break it open. It's hot. It just came out. Look at the inside. Look at the steam coming off of them. Oh, yum. Let's go ahead and go in for a taste test. Add some butter. Gravy, sausage gravy. Quick and easy, delicious. Try it. Try it today. Please leave a like and comment. It drives the channel, and I want to hear what you do with those recipes. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, we're here for a good time, not a long time. So have fun, stay safe, and enjoy, and I'll see you next time.